Hey guys, it's me, Jordan Sparks, and I'm so excited for my brand new show, Heart of the Batter.
Happy birthday to
You've heard me sing, now get ready to watch me bake. So let's get these cooking. From decadent desserts to stylish appetizers, my baking style is low fuss and ooey gooey delicious. Life is too short to eat dessert last. I'll be sharing recipes passed down by my Nana. This cookbook my Nana actually put together. It may be small, but it is fierce. Plus, putting my own unique spin on all of my favorite treats. Voila, we have the strawberry Moscato cupcakes. And for the icing on the cake, I'll be introducing you to my family. Well, these are my boys. And adding in a heaping spoonful of personal stories you won't want to miss.
Yeah, let them know.
Gosh, I get emotional just thinking about it. They're just so great. I love them so much. So make sure to subscribe to join me and some very special guests every Wednesday for a sweet and savory baking show with plenty of heart. I'll see you next week. Cheers.